As an out-of-hours call handler, I am here to direct you to the right person or service. The urgent out-of-hours service is here for urgent care needs that cannot wait until your GP practice reopens. I will ask a range of questions to determine the urgency of your call. Based on the information provided, I will signpost you to the most appropriate service. So if your condition is not urgent, you may be signposted to a community pharmacist or be asked to contact your GP practice when it reopens. If your call is urgent, I will give your details to a GP or clinical practitioner such as an advanced nurse practitioner or paramedic practitioner who will be able to take you through a full clinical triage to find the best solution for you. My role is very similar to that of a GP receptionist, and I have received full training to support you with your healthcare needs. As the call handler, I am part of the primary care team, and I am here to help you make the primary choice, to see the right member of the team and get the most appropriate treatment faster.